In this video, you will learn how to download and install Notion. Choose a browser you like. Head over to the official website, notion.so. Click on the drop-down menu Download and choose Notion. Click on Download for Windows. Once the download is complete, run the installer. Open Notion and sign up for an account. You can use your Google account, your Apple account, or your email to sign up. If you already have an account, logging in will instantly synchronize your content across all devices. Like and subscribe for more Notion tutorials.